Everybody knows these hiding spots. But this one I'm about to show you, nobody knows.
I ordered this cheese board from Amazon. I'll leave the link below. I opened it up, took the utensils out, and set them aside. I'll use those for a different project for something. I got these little picture frame hooks, and I did try and hammer them in, but the wood was so hard I couldn't get them in. So I ended up just hot gluing them. I put 4 just below the middle line there. I grabbed an extra clothespin that I had, and I also put hot glue on that and then glued it kind of off towards one side at the top there. I closed it up and then I put a mirror on the front. I also got this mirror on Amazon, and it comes with this self-adhesive sticky tape. It is so sticky, by the way. And so I put that on the front here, and then I put the mirror on top, and then I peeled that protective layer from the mirror off after I had pushed it all down and it was secured. You could leave it like this, but sometimes it's fun to be extra. So I used some hot glue and I added a palm trim all the way around the edge, and I think it's so cute. I used these command strips in my last video with the Halloween photos and they worked so good, so I decided to use them again. They're the 3M Velcro command strips, and you just put it on the back, you put the other piece on, peel the backing off, and then you stick it to the wall. I put it in our RV, in our travel trailer, but you could really put it in anywhere. I think this is perfect for small spaces. So once it's on the wall, you just flip it up, and now you have a secret place to put all your valuables. And the best part is, nobody's gonna know. Can you believe I turned a cheese board into a DIY safe?
I can't wait to hear what you guys think about this hack. Let me know in the comments. And if you want to see how we painted this master bedroom, click here for the video.